What if I told you that you could start making real money this week? With zero experience, zero investment, and just your phone and internet connection. No excuses, no waiting. Here are 5 side hustles every student can start right now. Hey, welcome back to Mind and Money, where we help students build their mind and their money. If you're new here, hit subscribe because this video alone could change your financial life. Let's get into it. Number 1, freelancing. Can you write, design, edit videos, translate languages? Congratulations. You already have a skill someone will pay for. Go to Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. Create a free profile. Offer your skill as a service. Start at a low price to get your first reviews. Then raise your rates. Students make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per month freelancing from their bedroom. No office, no boss. Just you, your skill, and your laptop. The best part? Every skill you use gets better over time, so you get paid to improve. Number 2, online tutoring. You just studied something in school this week. Someone younger than you needs help with that exact same thing right now. Platforms like Preply, Tutor.com, or even just WhatsApp groups connect students with tutors instantly. You don't need to be the best student, you just need to be one step ahead. Math, English, science, coding, all in high demand. Students charge $5 to $20 per hour just for helping others understand what they already know. You're already studying anyway. You might as well get paid for it. Number 3, social media management. Every small business around you has a Facebook page or Instagram account they don't know how to run properly, and they will pay someone to run it for them. That someone can be you. Walk into any local shop, restaurant, or salon. Offer to manage their social media for $50 to $150 per month. Create posts, reply to comments, grow their following. You already spend hours on social media every day. Now imagine getting paid for it. Start with one client, do great work, get referrals, scale up. Number 4, reselling. Find cheap or free items, old books, clothes, electronics, anything, and sell them for a higher price online. Facebook Marketplace, OLX, eBay, or local WhatsApp groups are perfect for this. You don't need money to start. Begin by selling things you already own but don't need. Use that money to buy more items and resell again. One student I read about started with $20 worth of old books and turned it into $500 in 1 month just by reselling. Buy low, sell high, repeat. Number 5, YouTube or TikTok. And yes, this is exactly what you are watching right now. Pick a topic you know or care about. Start creating short videos. Post consistently. Build an audience. YouTube pays you through ads once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. TikTok pays through their creator fund. Both platforms also open doors to brand deals and affiliate income. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. You have a phone, you have knowledge. You have absolutely no excuse not to start. So there you have it. 5 side hustles you can start this week with zero money and just your phone. Freelancing, tutoring, social media management, reselling, and content creation. Now here's my challenge. Pick just one of these today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Comment below which one you're going to start. I read every single one and I'll personally help you get started. Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more real money advice made for students just like you. I'll see you in the next one.